For 3 generations, the Future Automotive Group has been Northern California's premier automotive dealer group. And here's another example of a great vehicle from our giant selection of pre-owned cars and trucks. And comes equipped with keyless entry, only 1 previous owner, heated door mirrors, rear spoiler, climate package, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, parking sensors, fully automatic headlights, MP3 player, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle goes through our rigorous inspection and reconditioning process. And with thousands of cars, trucks, and SUVs to choose from, you're sure to find exactly what you're looking for. We hope you'll give us the opportunity to prove to you what customer service is all about. So give us a call or stop by. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next vehicle.